Hi, I'm Kara. I'm a Google for Education certified trainer, and I want to start sharing with you about Google Sheets. Google Sheets is one of those things that can often be intimidating, but when you start learning all the tricks and the tools to using Google Sheets, it's going to make your life so much easier. So I thought I would create a web series called One Step at a Time. We'll take one little part of Google Sheets and learn that, and then we'll move on to something else. Everything in Google is .google.com. If I'm going to mail, it would be mail.google.com. If I'm going to forms, it's forms.google.com. If I'm going to slides, slides.google.com. See a pattern? So it's going to be sheets.google.com. When I get to sheets.google.com, I don't have anything yet. So I'm going to build a new spreadsheet. Now you see I have these templates, which are fine to use, but I want to show you from scratch. So I'm going to build a blank one. First, I'm going to give it some headings. That's what we're going to talk about today. I want to give, we're going to have a student's name, we're going to have their grade, we're going to have their age, we're going to have their favorite color. All right, now, I don't want those to change at all. So I'm going to freeze that first row. So that first row is not going to be able to be moved. It's not going to be able to be adjusted in any way. So I'm going to go to View, Freeze, Row 1. Now you see how it's put this gray line? That way I know it's frozen. Okay, I'm going to just start typing some names. Okay, I'm going to type some grades. I'm going to type some ages, and just know my ages probably are not accurate, but just for our purposes, I'm going to just make up some ages. And then I'm going to pick their favorite color. Oh, make it spell correctly, don't I? It's spelled yellow also. Okay, so I have my headings, I have my data, but let's say I want to put those in alphabetical order by their first name. I'm going to click Name, and then I'm going to go to Data, Sort by Column, and you see that it took my names and put them in alphabetical order, and it also changed these orders too. Now let me show you something a little more cool than that. I can go to View, go to Filter Views, go to Data, create a filter. Okay, did you see that? I'm sorry I messed up right there real quick, but Data, create a filter. And you see now I have these little arrows. Now watch the cool thing. Let's say I want to pick only the students who have yellow as their favorite color. Did you see what happened? It only filtered out my yellow people. I can go and I can just simply clear that filter, and it'll show me, I need to select all. It'll show me everyone again. You see that because we froze that, it's not going to move. Let's say I want to pick only the kids who are 9 and 13. So that's how you can use your headings to sort your columns. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email address is right here at the bottom, cwhitehead@whiteheadsclass.com. I have lots of professional development and tools on whiteheadsclass.com, so be sure and visit. Have a great day. Thank you.